Namaste ji, I am Shiva Pandey and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have come up with the most demanded video, that is a yoga for fat loss. So without wasting any time, let's join on the mat. So let's come to the center of the mat. Walk back. Face this side, face the audience. Stretch your hands sideways. We'll start with shoulder mobility. Make big circles with your arms. 1, 2, 3. Try to make as big circles as possible. 4. We are just warming up the shoulders for the workout that's about to come. 5. Now reverse. Change the direction. Reverse direction. 1, 2. Throughout the practice, just remember you are breathing in, breathing out through the nose. 3, 4, and 5. Relax. Next one. Palms will be on the waist and make big circles with your hip. So we go for hip rotations. 1, 2. Warming up the hip joint, the lower body. 3, 4, and 5. Reverse, change the direction. 1, 2, 3. Keep breathing. 4 and 5. Relax. Next one, we will go for twisting, Kati Chakrasana. So dynamically we move to right and left. Right. When you twist, try to touch your opposite shoulder with the hand. 1, 2. Again, keep breathing. 3, 4, and 5. Relax. Now, we will be doing dynamic forward bend and backward bend. So inhale, hands up. Exhale, bend forward. Touch the ground. You can bend your knees when you do this. 5 rounds again. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Last one. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. And relax. Come back up. Now shake your legs, shake your arms. The body is already warmed up. So let's go into Surya Namaskar practice. We will be doing Ashtanga Surya Namaskar. You can follow along from the video itself. So let's come to the top of the mat. Feet will be closer to each other. And begin. Ekam, inhale. Raise both hands up. Join your palms and look at your thumb. Dvay, exhale. Uttanasana. You can bend your knees here since it's the first round. Treni, inhale. Arch your back. Look up. Chatwari. Walk back or jump back to plank. If possible, lower the body into Chaturanga. If this is difficult, you can also drop the knees on the ground. Inhale, slide forward, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Toes will be pointed backward, knees off the ground. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. We stay here for 5 breaths. 1, keep pushing your hip up. 2, 3, long exhalation. 4 and 5. Inhale, step forward in between your palms, head up, chest up, Ardha Uttana. Exhale, sink your chin, Uttana. Inhale, both hands up, Urdhva Hasta Asana. Exhale, Samastiti. We will do one more round of the same one. Let's go. Ekam, inhale, Urdhva Hastasana. Dvay, exhale, Uttana. Treni, inhale, head up, chest up. Chatwari, walk or jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Choose your variation wisely. Inhale, upward facing dog, toes pointed back, knees lifting up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Keep pushing your hip up. 1, 2. If your heels come up off the ground, that's absolutely fine. 3. Focus on breathing. 4 and 5. Inhale, walk forward or jump forward, head up, chest up. Exhale, sink your chin down. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, Samasthiti, and relax. I'm sure the heart rate is little up by now, so you are at the right place to lose some fat. Now, open your feet shoulder width apart. We will be going for Malasana squats. So feet will be shoulder width apart, toes pointed outside, and all together we will go down as much as we can. Again, if the heels lift up, that's absolutely fine. No need to worry. And up. Same way. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Two more times. Down. Up. Last one, guys. Down and up. Relax, relax. Moving to the next pose, warrior two pose. So from here, take your right leg back and turn to the right side, face the camera. Right feet turned out, left feet pointing forward. Bend the right knee, open your hand sideways and look at your right middle finger. Breathe. 1, 2, make sure you are pushing the left feet nicely into the ground. 3, if someone is there to support you, tell them to push your feet in. 4 and 5. Hands will remain here only. Straighten the right leg. Right feet in, left feet out. Bend the left knee and look at the left middle finger. 1, breathe, that's most important. 2, 3, keep pushing the hip more down. 4 and 5. Straighten the left leg, step forward and relax, relax. You can shake your legs, catch your breath and get ready for the next movement. Again, we will take the right leg back and turn to the right side. Stance will be little narrow this time, not too much wider. Little wider than shoulder width would be nice. We are doing dynamic triangle pose. So right feet turn out, left feet pointing forward. As you inhale, stretch your hands sideways. Exhale, take your right hand down closer to the knee or ankle. Inhale, come up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Last one. Exhale, down. Go as much as you can. Inhale, up. Now right feet in, left feet out. Same movement on the left side. Exhale down. Very good to reduce the side belly fat. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down with the breath. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Last one. Exhale down. Inhale up. And relax. Step forward, shake your legs and catch your breath. Yes. Moving to the next part of the session now, let's go into the down dog position. So palms can go down, step your feet backwards and you come into down dog. Again, we will be holding a pose that is the dolphin pose. So maintaining this down dog, all you need to do is drop your elbows on the ground and try to hold. So as you drop the elbows, your heels might lift up. That's absolutely fine. The goal is to keep your knees straight and breathe. 1, 2, feel free to take a break whenever you want. 3, I know sometimes these exercises can get too much. Start slowly. Regular practice of a session like this can totally help you lose your fat very, very soon. provided you take care of your diet and breathe nicely during the workout. Last 3, last 2, and 1. Drop the knees down and relax in child's pose. I know you all have been waiting for a relaxation pose, and this is it. Catch your breath, revive that energy, and get ready for the last few movements of today's class. Just breathe. Last 3, last 2, and 1. Moving to the next movement, that will be a elbow plank this time. So coming into elbow plank, all of you, yes, elbows on the ground and whole body like a plank, hip little down, and breathe. 1, 2, 3. Let's see for how long we all can hold this. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Relax. Change the pose without any break. Turn around and come onto your spine. Quick, quick, quick. Lie down, and turn around. Now, next movement will be Uttan Padasana or Viparit Karni. Lift both legs up to 90 degrees, straight and up. Toes pointing upwards. Try to straighten your knees, and we stay here for 8 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4. Engage those core muscles. 5. I can see that the legs are burning. 6, 7, and 8. Now bend your knees to 90 degrees. Now tap the right heel on the ground, up. Left heel on the ground, up. Avoid bending the knees. Knees will be bent like this. Right heel down, up. Left heel down, up. We are going to do 20 of those. So let's start faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. More faster. 5, 6. Keep breathing. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9. More faster. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax, relax. Catch your breath, catch your breath. One last pose, not only to help reduce the fat, but also to calm you down, stretch the core muscles, and relax the whole body. So maintaining this bent knee position, press your palms, knees on the ground, feet on the ground, and lift your hip up, Setu Bandhasan, and breathe. 1, 2, letting go of all your tiredness. 3, 4, and 5. Slowly come down, straighten the legs out, surrender into the mat for deep relaxation in Shavasana. Relax in Shavasana for as long as you want. I will see you all in my next video. Thank you for practicing. Namaste.